All right, this is a tutorial on the Santa Claus is Coming to Town song. And two things you need to know up front: what key the piece is in and what is the time signature. So we know that the key is C major, right? And the time is 4, so 4 beats per measure. The first part of the song, so the melody you already know, so I'm going to show you what the left hand will be doing. The chords are, and I'm going to play the chords in their root position. So let me rephrase that. I'm going to play the chords only using the root of the chord. So I'm not going to play a C major chord. I'm just going to play the C, just the root of the chord. The chords are C, F, C, F, C, G, C. That's the first part. Then that repeats. So you do that 2 times. C, F, C, F, C, G, C. Then it goes into the next part, which is F. So you do F, 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 F. And then it goes to D, and then to G. So let's take it from the beginning. Okay, so again, I'm playing the root of the chord with my left hand, melody with the right hand, and we come in on beat 4. There's 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, and I'm doing it super slow. Oh, let me say this. Learn the piece, the song in its simple form. Like, just learn it simple. That's what I'm presenting here, so you can understand what the chords are. When you learn it, when you get it, you can add the bells and whistles and flavors to it. Okay, so here it is. We come in on beat 4. 1, 2, 3. F, back to C, F, 4, C, G, 2, 3, 4, and that repeats. C, F, C, F, C, G, 2, 3, 4. Now the new section starts on C in the right hand. Now here's F, 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 F. Now D, G, D, and G. Beginning. F, C, F. That's a flavor note. I just threw that in there because I was hearing that. That's an A flat. And then you go to G, G, the octave G, and you end on C. Okay? That's it. At its simplest form. And if you want to add the chords to it, you can add the chords in your left hand. C chord to the F chord, back to C, F, C, and G, back to C. Now what I did here with the C to the F is called inversion, and I think this warrants another tutorial, but that's why I say just play the piece in its simple form. Just use the root of the chord. So from C to F, C to F, and so on. I hope this made sense. And if you have any questions, please reach out. You can always call me or text me or FaceTime. I'm here for you. And yeah, I hope this made sense. And let me know. See you next time.